Have you heard the news? Something extraordinary just happened in our cosmic neighborhood, and it slipped by almost unnoticed. An interstellar visitor, a comet from another star system, just flew past the orbit of Mars, and all this happened while many were looking the other way. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible journey of Comet 3I Borisov, previously known as C 2019 Q4, and the intriguing circumstances surrounding its flyby. Let's get one thing straight right away. Object in question is Comet 3I Borisov, not 3I Atlas. Atlas survey has discovered many comets, but the famous interstellar visitor that passed Mars was Borisov. This comet is only the second interstellar object we've ever confirmed after Oumuamua. Imagine a traveler from a distant star finally gracing our solar system with its presence. Discovered in 2019 by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov. This comet gave us an unprecedented opportunity to study material from another star system up close. So, what makes this comet so special? Unlike Oumuamua, which was a mysterious, rocky object that sped away quickly, Borisov behaved much more like the comets from our own solar system. It had a visible coma and a tail, which means it was releasing gas and dust as it got closer to our sun. This allowed scientists to use spectroscopy to analyze its chemical makeup. And what they found was fascinating. Borisov contained familiar molecules like cyanide and diatomic carbon, but in proportions different from our own comets. It also had an unusually high amount of carbon monoxide, suggesting it formed in a very cold, carbon-rich region of its home star system, far from its parent star. It was like receiving a postcard from an alien world, written in a chemical language we could just begin to understand. Now, let's talk about its journey. This celestial nomad traveled for hundreds of millions, maybe even billions of years through the vast emptiness of interstellar space. Its trajectory was a hyperbola, meaning it came in with so much speed that our sun's gravity could only bend its path, not capture it into a permanent orbit. It was just passing through. It made its closest approach to the sun, a point we call perihelion, in December 2019. And then it began its long journey back out into the galaxy. As it traveled, it crossed the orbital path of Mars. This wasn't a close call with the planet itself. Space is incredibly vast. Symbolically, it's a huge moment. A messenger from another star system was right there, in our planetary backyard. Now, about the NASA shutdown part of the story, this adds a layer of drama that's worth unpacking. Government shutdowns in the United States have, at times, affected non-essential operations at federal agencies, including NASA. During such periods, many scientists and researchers can be furloughed, and work on certain projects might be temporarily halted. While the core mission of tracking near-Earth objects and operating spacecraft like the Mars rovers is typically considered essential and continues, shutdown can slow down the pace of scientific analysis and public communications. So, while Comet Borisov was making its historic passage through our inner solar system, the scientific community was working hard to observe it with every telescope possible, both on the ground and in space, like the Hubble Space Telescope. Any disruption, even a temporary one, could mean missing a crucial window of opportunity to gather data from this once-in-a-lifetime visitor. The race was on to learn as much as possible before Borisov faded into the distance forever. The urgency was real. This wasn't just another rock. It was a pristine sample from a completely different solar system. Fortunately, despite any challenges, the global astronomical community rallied. Data was collected. Papers were published. And our understanding of planetary formation was expanded. We learned that the building blocks for planets might not be so different in other star systems. Borisov showed us that water in the form of ice is likely common throughout the galaxy. This has profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth. If water and organic molecules are widespread, then perhaps habitable worlds are too. Think about the scale of this event. A piece of another world, born in a different stellar nursery, traveled across unimaginable distances, and we were here to witness it. We were able to point our instruments at it and learn its secrets. It's a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It highlights why continuous investment in space exploration and astronomical observation is so critical. We never know when the next messenger from the stars will arrive. We need to be ready with our telescopes pointed up and our minds open. The story of Comet Borisov is a beautiful reminder that we are part of a much larger cosmic community. The universe is constantly sending us clues about its nature, and it's our job to be attentive students. The fact that an amateur astronomer could make such a monumental discovery also shows that everyone has a role to play. The night sky is open to all of us. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember Comet Borisov. Remember that somewhere out there, countless other solar systems are forming and evolving. And sometimes, just sometimes, a piece of one of those distant worlds pays us a visit, reminding us of the vast and wonderful universe we inhabit. It's not just shocking, it's awe-inspiring. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. I hope you found the story of this interstellar traveler as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more wonders of the universe with us, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep looking up.